Hello everybody and welcome back to the grade 9 Pascal contest. We're looking at year 2000 in this paper, and we are on to question number 2. We just did question 1 in the last video, so you can go back and look at that. It was just a straightforward order of operations calculation problem. And question 2 actually looks like it might be a little easier. Question 2 is the sum of 29 plus 12 plus 23 is, well, gosh, I mean, that should be on the grade 7 paper, shouldn't it? It's a simple calculation. 29 plus 12 plus 23. Well, the calculator tells me it's 64. So where is 60? Oh. I like when they do this. Sometimes they'll do this. They don't often. But sometimes it looks like it's a very innocent looking question. And then the real thinking, the real computation is actually in the answer. And that's what we've got here. It was a straightforward sum. Anyone could spit that out on a calculator or work it out by hand really, really quickly. And you wouldn't suspect anything of it because it's question number 2. But then it's the A, is it 32 squared? B, is it 2 to the 6? So it's the answers that you need to work out, and I think that's an interesting little twist. But it won't throw a serious wrench into our problems. So we know that this is 64. The question is, the problem is neither of these, or none of these is 64, at least from the way it looks. So we actually have to calculate the answers before we can answer this question. So A, well, that's 32 squared, and B, that was 2 to the 6, and I think E was 64 to the 0. D and C, one of those was 1 to the 64, I'm sure. 1 to the 64 and 3 to the 4th. So we need to figure out which of these is actually 64. Well, we stay with our calculator, but now we're going to have to actually compute some things. So 32 squared, well, that's 1024. How about 2 to the power of 6? Well, that's 64, so fantastic, we're all set. We should have an answer of B, but just to make sure, let's compute the other ones. So 3 to the power of 4, that's 81. 1 to the power of 64, well, 1 to the power of anything is always going to be 1. 64 to the 0, well, anything to the power of 0, any positive number to the power of 0 is going to be 1 as well. So only one of these answers is 64, and that is B. So B is our answer. Cute little twist for question number 2 on the 2000 Pascal paper. So I rather enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys in the very next video for question number 3. So thanks for watching.